Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Home. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah. Today, we're going to practice simple and natural daily English conversations you can use at home.
We'll talk about weekend plans, cooking, hobbies, family life, and everyday situations in easy English.
So relax, listen carefully, and practice speaking with us.
Good morning, Sarah. You look very sleepy today. What time did you wake up this morning?
Good morning, Adam. Honestly, I woke up at around 6:30, but I still feel tired. I didn't sleep early last night.
Oh, really? I usually wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. After that, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and make a cup of coffee.
That sounds nice. I usually drink tea in the morning instead of coffee. It helps me relax and feel fresh.
Do you always eat breakfast in the morning?
Yes, I do. I think breakfast is very important. I usually eat eggs, bread, and sometimes fruit.
Healthy breakfast. I normally eat toast and drink coffee because I don't have much time in the morning.
I understand. Sometimes I feel too lazy to cook in the morning.
Same here, especially on weekends. I just want to stay in bed longer.
Me too. But after breakfast, I usually start cleaning the house a little.
Really? What kind of chores do you do?
I wash the dishes, clean the kitchen, and organize my room. What about you?
I usually clean my bedroom and take out the trash. Sometimes my mother asks me to help with laundry too.
That's good. Helping family members is important.
Exactly. But honestly, I don't enjoy washing dishes.
Nobody enjoys it. Yesterday, I spent almost 1 hour cleaning the kitchen.
1 hour? That's a long time.
Yes, because everything was messy. My little brother made a big mess while cooking noodles.
Oh no. Did he help you clean?
A little bit. I said, "Can you help me?" And he finally helped me wash some dishes.
That's nice, at least. At my home, my sister always says, "Let's finish the chores quickly."
That's actually good motivation.
After cleaning, what do you usually do for lunch?
I usually cook simple food like rice, chicken, or pasta. Sometimes I just make a sandwich if I feel lazy.
Pasta sounds delicious. I love homemade food.
Thank you. What do you usually eat for lunch?
I like eating rice with vegetables and grilled chicken, and sometimes I order food online.
Ordering food is easy, but homemade food feels healthier.
True, and the food smells so good when someone is cooking at home.
Exactly. After lunch, I usually relax for a while and watch videos on my phone.
Same here. Sometimes I watch TV with my family after eating.
That sounds relaxing.
Then, later in the afternoon, I study English for 1 or 2 hours.
Really? How do you practice English at home?
I watch English podcasts, listen to conversations, and practice speaking alone.
That's a good idea. I also try to learn new vocabulary every day.
Practice makes perfect. Even small daily practice helps a lot.
Yes, but sometimes I lose focus because of my phone.
Same problem here. Social media can be very distracting.
Exactly. That's why I try to study in a quiet room.
Good idea. In the evening, I usually spend time with my family and talk about our day.
Me too. My favorite time is dinner time because everyone sits together.
That's really special. My mother always asks me, "How was your day?"
Aw, that's sweet.
After dinner, I usually relax a little and prepare for tomorrow.
Same here. And honestly, tonight I'm going to sleep early.
Me too. We both need good sleep tonight.
Absolutely. Tomorrow is another busy day.
Good morning, Sarah. It's finally the weekend. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, Adam. I'm feeling relaxed today. The weather is nice, and I don't have much work to do.
Same here. I woke up late this morning because I wanted to rest more.
Me too. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Honestly, not really. I want to relax today and stay at home.
That sounds peaceful. Sometimes staying home is better than going outside.
Exactly. I enjoy quiet weekends. I like drinking coffee and watching something interesting in the morning.
That sounds cozy. I usually listen to music while cleaning my room.
Nice. What's your favorite weekend activity?
I like cooking, watching movies, and spending time with my family. What about you?
I enjoy gaming and reading books. Sometimes I also watch English podcasts to improve my listening.
That's actually very productive.
Thanks. By the way, do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love cooking at home. Homemade food always tastes better.
I agree. What kind of food do you usually cook?
I usually cook pasta, chicken, rice, and sometimes soup. I also like trying new recipes online.
That's interesting. I tried cooking pasta last week, but I added too much salt.
That happens sometimes.
My sister tasted it and made a funny face.
Oh no! Did anyone eat it?
A little bit, but honestly, it was terrible.
At least you tried. Cooking takes practice.
True. Can you pass me the salt?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Wow, this soup tastes amazing.
Thanks, Adam. I learned the recipe from a cooking video online.
That's cool. The internet is really helpful for learning new things.
Definitely. After cooking, I usually relax and spend time on my phone.
Same here, but honestly, I spend too much time on my phone sometimes.
Me too. Social media can be very distracting.
Exactly. Sometimes I open my phone for 5 minutes and suddenly 1 hour passes.
That happens to me too.
So, what do you usually do in your free time?
I enjoy watching movies and reading simple English stories.
That sounds interesting. What kind of movies do you like?
Mostly comedy and family movies because they help me relax.
Nice choice. I like action movies and documentaries.
Do you play video games often?
Yes, but only on weekends. I try not to waste too much time.
That's good. Balance is important.
Exactly. Sometimes hobbies help us reduce stress after a busy week.
Very true. But daily life also comes with small problems.
Oh, yes. Yesterday, I couldn't find my keys for almost 30 minutes.
Really? That happens to me too.
I looked everywhere in the house.
Where did you finally find them?
In my jacket pocket, I completely forgot.
That's funny. I often lose my phone at home.
Same here. Another problem is noisy neighbors.
Oh, yes. My neighbors were very loud last night.
That can be annoying, especially when you want to rest.
Exactly. but I try to stay calm and not get angry easily.
That's a good habit. Staying organized also helps reduce stress.
True, I usually make a small to-do list every morning.
That's smart. I should start doing that too.
It really helps me remember important things.
After a long day, I just want peace and quiet.
Same here. So, how do you feel today?
Honestly, today was a busy day, but it was also enjoyable.
That's nice to hear.
I learned something new while practicing English today.
Me too. I think daily practice really improves confidence.
Absolutely. One day I want to speak English fluently without fear.
You will. We just need patience and regular practice.
Thanks, Sarah. Your words are always motivating.
Aw, thank you. And remember, tomorrow will be better.
Definitely. Every new day is another chance to improve.
Exactly. Now let's relax and enjoy the rest of the evening.
Sounds perfect to me.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of English Podcast Home.
We hope this conversation helped you improve your English listening and speaking skills in a fun and easy way.
Remember, practice a little every day and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone!